The fuck was that?
Fuck.
Right at midnight. Did you hear that?
Yeah?
Fuck. Let's go see what it is. Jesus! Ooh. Oh my god. Did the TV fall?
Man, it sounded like it was like fuck way upstairs or something. Hell, man.
Holy shit!
Fuck.
Okay. What the fuck is going on? Fuck! Something just ran up the stairs, man.
I didn't see anything.
You didn't hear that?
I heard it, but I didn't see anything. Fuck.
Holy fuck. The door just slammed shut. Dude, the door is locked. There's something in the bathroom. Where's the light, man?
It's right here.
That's fucking creepy.
How often does this happen?
Not very at all. I hear things every now and then, but nothing like this. You go down first.
Yeah, I'll go down. Fuck, man.
Holy shit.
Oh.
Those weren't like that a while ago.
Dude, what the
man.
fuck is going on?
I don't know. It's fucking creepy.
Do you hear anything else?